Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the problem of objects always together and no two things together. So we are going to see exercise 4.2 with the problems having objects always together and no two things together. Okay. So now let us continue with problem number 8. It is given in your book in exercise 4.2. 8 women and 6 men are standing in a line. Okay. So 8 women and 6 men are in a line, standing in a line. Okay. How many arrangements are possible if any individual can stand in any position? So first question, any individual can any position. யாரு வேணாலும் எங்க வேணாலும் நிக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது. Any individual in any position. This is the first question. How many ways arrangements are possible if any individual can stand in any position? So how many total persons, total number of persons is equal to, total number of persons is equal to 8 plus 6, that is equal to 14. So how many arrangements? They can arrange in 14 factorial ways. Number of arrangement of any individual in any position is equal to 14 factorial ways. Okay. Second subdivision, it is asked in how many arrangements will all men be standing next to one another? Will all 6 men standing next to one another? Next to one another. அப்ப எத்தனை மென் இருக்காங்க? 6 மென் இருக்காங்க. 6 மென்னும் ஒண்ணா ஒரே இடத்துல நிக்கணும். அப்ப ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா 8 விமென், அதாவது விமென் 1, விமென் 2, விமென் 3, விமென் 4, விமென் 5, விமென் 6, விமென் 7, விமென் 8. ஆனா மென் 6 பேரும் ஒரே யூனிட்டா நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும். 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is considered to be a single unit. அப்ப இந்த மாதிரி சிங்கிள் யூனிட்டா இருந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த சிங்கிள் யூனிட்டுக்குள்ள அந்த 6 பேரை நம்ம எப்படி வேணாலும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். ஆனா இங்க 8 plus 1 அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். There are 6 men and 8 women. To make all men together, treat them as one unit. So 6 men as a single unit, as one unit. Okay. How many persons are there? Now therefore there are 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 persons now, isn't it? 9 persons. They can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. So they can be arranged in nine factorial ways. இந்த 9 பேரை இந்த 6 பேரை தூக்கி நடுவுல போடலாம், இங்க போடலாம், எங்க வேணாலும் இன் பிட்வீன்ல இந்த 6 பேரை ஒட்டு மொத்தமா இப்ப W2க்கும் W3க்கும் நடுவுல 6 பேர் வந்துடலாம். ஸோ 9 factorial waysல இவங்களை நம்ம அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். After this arrangement, 6 men can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. After this, 6 men can arrange in, அந்த 6 பேர் வந்து 6 உள்ள வந்து 6 factorial waysல அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். Therefore total number of arrangements is equal to, total number of ways of arrangement is equal to 9 factorial into 6 factorial. So this is the answer for subdivision 2. Okay. நல்லா புரியுதா? 8 விமென்னு 6 மென்னை ஒன்னா நிப்பாட்டுறோம். அப்ப 6 மென்னுக்குள்ள 6 பேரை எப்படி வேணாலும் மாத்தி மாத்தி போடலாம். அதுக்கு 6 factorial. 8 plus ஒரு யூனிட்டா சேர்த்துக்கிறோம். அப்ப 8 plus 1 9. அப்ப அதுக்கு ஒரு 9 factorial. So the total answer will be 9 factorial plus 6 factorial. Next question. No two men be standing. No two men be standing next to one another. பக்கத்துல நிக்க கூடாது. இது வந்து gap method. Next to one another. Okay. So this is gap method. No two men be standing next to one another. அப்ப எப்படி நிப்பாங்க? Let us first write down W1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So இங்க ஒரு gap இருக்கும், இங்க ஒரு gap இருக்கும். So there will be 8 plus 1, 9 gaps will be there, isn't it? So no two men be together, they have to be placed between 8 women. So 6 men to be placed in between 8 women with 9 gaps. With 9 gaps. Okay. So we have to arrange this. There are 9 places. So the 6 men can be arranged in. Therefore, number of ways 6 men can be arranged in 9p6 ways. இல்லையா? 6 பிளேஸ்ல சாரி 9 கேப்ஸ்ல 6 மென்னை கொண்டு போய் நம்ம விடலாம். After this 8 women can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. இல்லையா? அவங்கள எப்படி வேணாலும் மாத்தி மாத்தி போடலாம். Arranged in 8 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of ways is equal to total number of arrangements or ways is equal to 9p6 into 8 factorial. So this is the answer for problem number 8. Okay. So be clear that whenever all men together அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா ஒரு யூனிட்டா கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கோ. No two men together அப்படின்னா there should be some gaps. So அந்த கேப்ல நம்ம வந்து அவங்கள அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். Okay. So the next problem is 9th one. Find the distinct permutation of the letter of the word Mississippi. Mississippi. So how many letters are here? Number of letters in this word is 11. 11. Okay. M occurs one time. And then I occurs 4 times. Okay. S occurs 4 times. P occurs 2 times. So you have to write down all the letters, how many times it occurs. So now total number of arrangements of this word is total number of arrangements. இந்த மாதிரி repeated letters வந்துச்சுனாலே என்ன பார்த்தோம்? n factorial divided by p1 factorial into p2 factorial etc. pn factorial. எத்தனை repeated letters இருக்கோ அத்தனை denominatorல வரணும். So 11 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 factorial. So how can you write this? 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial nu போட்டுட்டு 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 factorial. ஒரு 4 factorial ஒரு 4 factorial கேன்சல் பண்ணிடுவோம். 3 2s are 6 கேன்சல் பண்ணிடலாம். 2 4s are 8 கேன்சல் பண்ணிடலாம். So you are getting the answer as 34,650 ways. Okay. Next question. It is very easiest. 10th one. How many ways can the product a square b cube c4 be expressed without exponents? Product a square b cube c power 4 expressed without exponents. Exponent na enadhu? We have to write as the index and base. இல்லையா? அப்ப இத a square b cube c power 4 ஐ எப்படி எழுதுவ? a b b b c c c. So a occurs 2 times. B occurs 3 times. C occurs 4 times. Total number of letters is equal to 9. Okay, so how many ways now? Total number of arrangements. Total number of arrangements is equal to 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial into 4 factorial. அப்போ 4 factorial ஐயும் மேல இருக்கிற 4 factorial ஐயும் cancel பண்ணிட்டோம்னா 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1, isn't it? So we can cancel 3 2s are 6 and 2 this 4. So we are getting the answer as 1260. So it will be easier for you to answer the question. Okay. Now the next question is also very easiest one. 11th one. In how many ways? 4 mathematics book, 3 physics book. So I will write number of maths books is 4. Physics book is 3. Chemistry book is 2. Biology book one. Can be arranged on a shelf so that all books of the same subjects are together. Nalla kelu, all the books of the same subjects are together. So total number of units. So we want books of the same subject together. We have to treat all maths book as 1 unit. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா all books given. All books of same subject as 1 unit அப்படின்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும். as 1 unit அப்படின்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும். அப்ப total number of units எத்தனை? Therefore total number of units maths, physics, chemistry, biology. So 4. அப்ப they can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So number of arrangements வந்து 4 factorial. 4 factorial. ஆனா 4 maths book 4 factorial waysல arrange பண்ண முடியும். Max 4 maths books can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. அதே மாதிரி பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3 physics books can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 2 chemistry book can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Therefore, how can you write the answer? Total number of arrangements is equal to and the first 4 unit arrange பண்றது வந்து 4 factorial. அப்புறம் maths book arrange பண்றது 4 factorial. Physics book 3 factorial. Chemistry book 2 factorial. So when you are finding the answer 24 into 24 into 6 into 2. So your answer is 6912. Okay. நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோ. அதை ஒரே யூனிட்டா மாத்தணும். மேக்ஸ் புக் எல்லாம் ஒரு யூனிட். அந்த ஒரு யூனிட்டுக்குள்ள 4 புக்கை நம்ம எப்படி வேணாலும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ அது 4 ஃபேக்டோரியல். 3 புக்கை எப்படி வேணாலும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். 3 ஃபேக்டோரியல். 2 books can be arranged in 2 ways. ஸோ 2 ஃபேக்டோரியல். இப்போ அந்த 4 புக்கையும் அப்படியே மேக்ஸ் புக்கை செட்டாக தூக்கி வேறு இடத்துல வைக்கலாம். ஃபிசிக்ஸ் புக்கை தூக்கி செட்டாக. அப்போ 4 ஃபேக்டோரியல் வேஸில் அந்த 4 யூனிட்ஸை நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். So total number of arrangements will be 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. Next question, problem number 12. In how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged so that all S's are together? And the S மட்டும் எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Together arrange பண்ண போறோம். So how can we arrange this? Number of letters எத்தனை first? Number of letters is equal to 7 letters in success. Number of S எத்தனை இருக்கு? Number of S is equal to 3 S are there, isn't it? So since we want all S together, treat 3 S as unit. Take all 3 S as 1 unit. So all 3 S as 1 unit na 3 S இங்க இருக்கும், அடுத்து 4 பாக்ஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? மொத்தமா 7 letters. So totally how many units are there? 5 units now, isn't it? So remaining letters all 3, number of S வந்து 3, remaining வந்து 4 letters. Remaining letters is equal to 4. So when you are taking all S together, we will get 5 units. So total number of units is equal to 5. Units is equal to 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. Okay. Next one, they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways of them. C repeats 2 times. This can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. அந்த 3 S ஐ மாத்தி நம்ம போடலாம். இதுல Cங்கிறது repeated 2 times இல்லையா? அப்ப therefore total number of arrangements is equal to, அந்த repeated இருக்கிறனால நம்ம n factorial divided by p factorial methodல பண்ணணும். அப்ப 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So we can write this as 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So your answer is 60. Okay. So whenever we are having the repeated letters, we have to do the problem like this. Okay. Now let us go with problem number 13. 13th sum பார்க்கலாம். A coin is tossed 8 times. Coin is tossed 8 times. How many different sequences of head and tails are possible? Number of coins tossed is equal to equal to 8. Number of outcomes for each toss. Number of outcome for each toss. Head கிடைக்கலாம் இல்லைனா tail கிடைக்கலாம் இல்லையா? அப்ப 2 outcomes will be there. So therefore total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is equal to 2 power 8. That's the answer. Okay. Number of coins வந்து tossed வந்து 8. Tossல கிடைக்கிற outcome வந்து 2. அப்ப 2 power 8. 2 2 நமக்கு வந்து 8 தடவை கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 times we will get 2 outcomes. Okay. Next, second subdivision. This is first subdivision, and second subdivision is how many different sequences are containing 6 heads. Contain 6 heads and 2 tails. 6 heads and 2 tails can be done in. So getting 6 heads and 2 tails can be done in 8p6 or 8p2 ways இல்லையா? 8ல 6 ஹெட் கிடைக்கலாம் இல்லைனா 8ல 2 tail இருக்கலாம் இல்லையா? So we can write this as 8p6. This can be written as 8p2. Okay, so this can be taken as 8 into 7 divided by 2 into 1. So your answer is 28 ways. Okay, so we can easily do this problem with the calculation of 8p6 and 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. That will be the answer for this. Okay, so you can try with the problem. It will be very easier, students. So if you do the problem properly, you will get the answer. Number of ways to get 6 heads and 2 tails is equal to 8 factorial divided by, இதை இப்படி கூட எழுதிக்கலாம், 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. ஏனா இதுதான் நமக்கு வரும். So 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2. இதையும் cancel பண்ணிரு. So you are getting 28 ways. So we can easily write down the number of ways to get 6 heads and 2 tails. 6 heads வந்து 6 factorial waysல கிடைக்கும், 2 tails வந்து 2 factorial waysல கிடைக்கும். மொத்தமா நமக்கு 8 factorial ways இருக்கு. So 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, next question. It's a very interesting question. Problem number 14, intermediate. Intermediate. So using this word we are going to answer for many questions. How many strings are there using the letters of the word intermediate if the vowels and consonants are alternative? First subdivision வந்து vowels and consonants are alternative. Alternative na enna? Mari mari varradhu. Okay, alternative. Okay, now how many vowels are here? Number of vowels. Number of vowels is equal to 6. Number of consonants. Number of consonants is equal to 6. Okay, in vowels I occurs for 2 times, E occurs for 3 times and A for 1 time. Okay, so the vowels are E here, A, I and again E. Okay, E occurs 3 times and I occurs 2 times, A occurs 1 times. Consonants la pathina T mattum 2 times irukku. Okay, consonants la T mattum occurs 2 times. Now the number of ways in which vowels and consonants are alternative. Therefore total number of ways is equal to 6 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So your answer is 6 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial for wait. So this we have written. Now let us start with number of ways to write alternatively. அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து நம்ம ரெண்டு விதமா எழுதலாம். இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா CV 1 to CV, or otherwise we can write it as VC. That is vowel consonant. So எத்தனை factorial waysல நம்மனால எழுத முடியுது? 2 waysல. Number of ways to write alternatively is equal to 2 factorial. Okay, next number of ways to write vowels. To write vowels. Vowels எத்தனை இருந்துச்சு? 6 இருந்துச்சு இல்லையா? அப்ப 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Repeated. I-யும் E-யும் repeated. அடுத்தது number of ways to write the consonants. Number of ways to write consonants. That is also 6 consonants. 6 factorial divided by only one letter is repeated, T. So it is 2 factorial. So we can write the answer as total number of ways. Total number of ways is equal to 3 multiply panna 2 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So idhula nama 2 factorial cancel பண்ணிரலாம். 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So idhu cancel ஆயிரும். இங்க 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So this and this will get cancelled. So we are getting 120 into this is 360. So your answer is 43,200. So this is the answer for first subdivision. Second subdivision, it is asked to find the number of vowels together. All the vowels are together. All the vowels are together. So we have to consider as one unit. As vowels is one unit. இல்லையா? அப்ப all the vowels is together அப்படினா consider the vowels is one unit. Consonant will be 6 unit. இல்லையா? So we can write all the vowels is one unit. Vowels as one unit. So we have, therefore we have consonants எத்தனை இருந்துச்சு? 6 plus 1 equal to 7 units. So this can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த 6 letters consonants வந்து this can be done in 7 factorial ways. அதுக்கப்புறம் number of consonants, 6 consonants can be arranged in in 6 factorial by 2 factorial ways. ஏனா அங்க tங்கிற ஒரு லெட்டர் வந்து ரிப்பீட் ஆகுது இல்லையா? So next vowels குள்ள நம்ம arrangements பண்ணோம் அப்படினா 6 factorial by 2 into 3 factorial இல்லையா? So this can be written as in vowels vowels can be arranged in 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial ways. Okay. So consonants வந்து ரெண்டு இது ரிப்பீட் ஆகுது. ஸோ அது வந்து ஆல்ரெடி கான்சோனன்ஸை நம்ம ஒரு யூனிட்டாக எடுத்துக்கிட்டு ப்ளஸ் இந்த இது போடுறோம். ஸோ கான்சோனன்ஸ் அண்ட் வவல்ஸ் இஸ் ஒன் யூனிட். Consonants can be done, consonants plus vowels can be done in 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial ways. Okay, so total number of arrangements ways is equal to 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial ways. So we can cancel this 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 factorial into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. We can cancel this. So your answer is 1,51,200. So when you are multiplying this, you will get the answer as 1,51,200. The next subdivision is subdivision 3. Number of ways for vowels never together. Number of ways for vowels never together. ஒன்னா இருக்க கூடாது அப்படினா total number எடுத்து அதில இருந்து நாம என்ன பண்ணிடலாம் subtract பண்ணிடலாம். So this is equal to total number of ways minus number of ways all vowels are together. For all vowels together. So all vowels together நம்ம previous இதுல கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So total number of ways அப்படிங்கிறப்ப how many letters in intermediate? 12 letters divided by how many repeated letters? 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial minus 1,51,200 because we calculate what is the answer for this, isn't it? So we can find out the answer here. 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. You can find out the answer for this. That is equal to 1995840 minus 151200. So this is equal to 19807,200. You do the calculation and find out the answer. 12 factorial expand panniko divided by 2 into 6 into 2 போட்டு cancel பண்ண you will get the answer like this. So number of ways for vowels never together அப்படின question வந்துச்சு அப்படினா you can easily answer for the question like this. Okay. So